Good night, dear tutor. My name is Edier Señor Rivas. I live in the city of Neiva and studied environmental engineer at the United in Stowe. I am very introverted and like to walk through forests, mountains and natural landscapes. I like to eat everything, fruits, vegetables, meats and fish. And in recent days and visited the municipality of Sikra. There I went to visit my parents and the whole family. I was eating the typical food of the region and I also visit summer water on we father friends. We walked on the through some forests and saw some weird and animals of the region. I felt very happy seeing I shared with and my family enjoyed this experience very much. The climate and the town is very pleasant because it's present and temperate climates optimal for agriculture and livestock. Hot with bird in winter time for the months of April, May, October and November. It usually rains a lot and raises the temperature. And rainy reason it is important to bring an umbrella and cold eating shirts, axe jackets, long pants, rubber boots with wool sock, hats and gloves. It is very important to keep intermittent following. One, break fits IT kit. Two, if you travel in your own car, you should check its out before leaving to travel. If you are three, each or year want to volunteer what you must be accompanied. Never do it alone. 4. Children in their years of the age 10 not good to visit the waterfall. 5. Fin of the stacks of the water before traveling. 6. Do not wear arms night ecology try. Thank you very much. I am words on English. Thank you.